When it comes to choosing a Linux distribution, Ubuntu and Fedora are two popular contenders, each with its own unique flavor. Let us break down how they stack up against each other. First up, user-friendliness. Ubuntu is often considered more beginner-friendly with its polished interface and extensive documentation, making it a go-to for newcomers. In contrast, Fedora appeals to those who want the latest features and technologies, often catering to developers and tech enthusiasts. Next, package management. Ubuntu uses the apt package manager with DEB packages, while Fedora relies on DNF with RPM packages. This means Ubuntu users might find it easier to install software from a vast repository, while Fedora users enjoy cutting-edge software that is frequently updated. Lastly, release cycle. Ubuntu has a predictable 6-month release cycle for regular versions and a long-term support LTS version every 2 years, ensuring stability. Fedora, on the other hand, follows a more rapid release schedule, providing the latest innovations but with less long-term stability. In conclusion, both Ubuntu and Fedora have their strengths, so the best choice really depends on your needs, whether you prefer a stable, user-friendly experience or cutting-edge features and flexibility.